Welcome back to the channel of Dr. Robert Clark, where we explore the hidden secrets of your body and vital health. Have you ever felt a heaviness in your legs? Or perhaps a sudden coldness that simply refuses to go away? These are not just signs of aging. They are urgent whispers from your circulatory system that blood flow is becoming restricted. Poor blood circulation, especially in the legs, is a silent condition that affects millions of people around the world today. Today, we will uncover the warning signs you must not ignore and the 4 gold vitamins that can restore your flow. We will also discuss practical dietary changes that are far more effective than relying solely on expensive supplements or medication. Let us begin with the first major warning sign, which is a noticeable change in the skin color of your legs. When blood flow is restricted, your skin may turn pale or even take on a bluish tint due to low oxygen. This happens because the tiny capillaries in your extremities are not receiving the red blood cells needed to maintain healthy color. If you notice your legs looking waxy or shiny without any hair growth, take this as a serious early warning signal. The second sign is experiencing frequent muscle cramps, particularly at night or when you are trying to walk short distances. Night cramps are not just annoying. They are a scream from your muscles, begging for more oxygen and better blood flow. When circulation is poor, metabolic waste products get trapped in the muscle tissue, triggering painful spasms that disrupt your sleep. This condition is often called claudication, where pain forces you to stop moving until the blood supply catches up with demand. Moving on to the third sign, we have numbness, or a tingling sensation that feels like pins and needles in extremities. Your nerves require a constant supply of nutrients from blood to function correctly and transmit signals to your brain without error. When blood flow drops, nerves begin to malfunction, leading to that strange loss of sensation or persistent tingling in your toes. The fourth sign is having cold feet, even when the weather is warm or you are wearing thick, warm socks. Blood carries heat from your core to your extremities, acting as the internal heating system for your entire body. Finally, the fifth sign is the appearance of varicose veins, those twisted purple lines that bulge out from under your skin. This visual sign indicates that the valves within your veins have weakened and are struggling to pump blood back up. To understand the solution, we must first understand the mechanism. Why does circulation fail in the first place inside us? Over time, arteries can become clogged with plaque, a sticky substance made of fat, cholesterol, calcium, and other waste substances. Additionally, the valves in your veins may weaken due to aging or lack of movement, causing blood to pool downwards. A sedentary lifestyle accelerates this process, making your cardiovascular system sluggish and less efficient at pumping blood against gravity. Fortunately, nature provides us with powerful tools. Let's explore the 4 gold vitamins that can revitalize your blood vessels. The first nutrient on our list is vitamin B3, also known as niacin, a critical player in vascular health recovery. Niacin works as a natural vasodilator, which means it helps to widen your blood vessels and improve overall blood flow. It also helps to reduce bad cholesterol levels while boosting good cholesterol, preventing new plaque from forming in your arteries. You can find abundant vitamin B3 in foods like chicken breast, tuna, liver, and turkey, which are excellent for your heart. For plant-based options, include mushrooms, green peas, and peanuts in your daily diet to ensure you get enough niacin. Next, we have vitamin C, which is famous for immunity, but is equally vital for the structural integrity of veins. Vitamin C is essential for the production of collagen, the protein that keeps your blood vessel walls flexible and elastic. Without enough collagen, your arteries become stiff and prone to damage, making it harder for blood to circulate efficiently. To boost your intake, focus on eating guavas, red bell peppers, strawberries, and citrus fruits rather than taking synthetic pills. Starting your day with natural sources of vitamin C can provide a protective shield for your entire cardiovascular system. The third hero in our vascular health lineup is vitamin K, specifically vitamin K2, which is crucial for artery health. Vitamin K2 acts as a traffic controller, directing calcium into your bones where it belongs, instead of your soft arteries. This prevents arterial calcification, a dangerous condition where arteries turn into hard pipes that cannot expand to accommodate blood flow. The best source of vitamin K2 is natto, a fermented soybean dish, as well as hard cheeses and egg yolks. For vitamin K1, which supports clotting, ensure you are eating plenty of dark leafy greens like kale and spinach daily. Our final essential nutrient is vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that serves as a guardian for your blood cells. It protects your cells from oxidative stress and damage, which is a primary cause of aging in the vascular system. Vitamin E also supports the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that signals your blood vessels to relax and widen. You can find high amounts of vitamin E in sunflower seeds, almonds, hazelnuts, and creamy avocados for your daily diet. Adding a handful of these nuts or seeds to your breakfast is a simple way to protect your circulation daily. By combining these 4 vitamins, B3, C, K, and E, you create a synergistic effect that heals and strengthens your vessels. However, a word of caution. Rely on whole foods first, rather than blindly taking high doses of synthetic supplements. Your body is designed to absorb nutrients best when they come packaged in the complex matrix of real, natural food. Beyond nutrition, movement is the key that unlocks the door to better circulation and lasting vascular health for everyone. Your calf muscles act as a second heart. Every step you take pumps blood back up against gravity to your chest. Simple exercises like heel raises or walking for just 30 minutes a day can dramatically improve your circulation symptoms. Hydration is also non-negotiable. Thick, dehydrated blood is much harder for your heart to pump through your narrow vessels. Aim to drink enough water so that your urine is pale yellow, ensuring your blood volume and viscosity are optimal. You must also reduce your intake of refined sugars and processed foods, which cause inflammation and damage vessel linings. High blood sugar acts like shards of glass in your arteries, creating injuries that trap plaque and worsen circulation problems. Imagine a plate filled with fatty fish, leafy greens, and seeds. This is your medicine cabinet for a healthy life. Regular massage can also help by manually stimulating blood flow and reducing the fluid buildup that causes swelling. If you smoke, stopping is the single most effective step you can take to save your blood vessels immediately. Smoking constricts blood vessels instantly and damages the endothelium, making all other treatments less effective until you quit. Elevating your legs above your heart level for 15 minutes a day can use gravity to assist venous return. Remember, your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself if you provide it with the right tools and environment. Think of your bloodstream as a river. Keep it clean, keep it flowing, and life will flourish throughout your body. To review, watch for skin color changes, cramps, numbness, cold feet, and varicose veins as your primary warning signals. Combat these issues with a diet rich in vitamin B3, vitamin C, vitamin K2, and vitamin E, starting today. It is never too late to start making changes that will improve your mobility and quality of life for years. Take action today, even if it is just adding one healthy meal or taking a short walk around your block. Your heart and legs will thank you for every small effort you make to support their tireless work for you. If you found this information helpful, please share this video with loved ones who might be struggling with these issues. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest guides on natural health. We are dedicated to bringing you the most accurate, science-based information to help you take control of your own biology. Join our growing community of health-conscious individuals who are choosing to live better, stronger, and longer lives naturally. Let us know in the comments below which of these signs you have noticed and which vitamin you will try. Every sunrise is a new opportunity to improve your health. Do not let poor circulation hold you back any longer. Thank you for watching Dr. Robert Clark. Remember to prioritize your vascular health today for a stronger and healthier tomorrow.